Hey everyone, we have today a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty, and this one is Super Oil Slick. It's one of their illusion putties, or sometimes they call them super illusions. I've seen both illusion and super illusion. I don't think there's a difference, but basically they are this very shimmery, kind of holographic, kind of metallic, shiny putty that kind of changes color as you move it under the light. I think reading off the back here will probably do a better job of describing it. So it shifts colors and changes with light. But it's going to be best to open this up here and let the visuals do the explaining better than my words. But this is the 3.2 ounce size, 90 grams, and let's take a peek. So wow, look at that. I love these illusion putties. I'm just going to say right off the bat that these are one of my favorite type of putties. I really can't wait to see if Crazy Aaron's will make more of these putties in the future. I would love it. I would be very excited. And just, it's so shiny. It's, I'm hoping that the camera here is picking it up as well as it looks in person. It has such a luster and sheen to it. And like, look at these little black drops here and the swirls. Very beautiful. And the interesting thing with these illusion putties is that it really does depend what kind of light you're in. So for example, if I were even to maybe walk to the other side of the room here, then this would actually appear maybe a little bit darker. You see if I could kind of tilt it there, it's a little bit greener than it is, looking this way. So it really does shift whether you're in sunlight or a dim room or a bright room, which is super cool. But let's get it out here. And we'll take a look. We're working with our Super Oil Slick putty. Just, man, look at that. That is beautiful putty. This one I always go a little bit silent on when I'm playing with it. I just get mesmerized, honestly, by how pretty that is. It's so cool. And the other thing I really love about these illusion putties is that they are very soft. So the putties usually vary, from soft to firm in texture. And most of the Crazy Aaron's putties are medium, like in the middle, but these are extremely soft. Very nice for stretching, for squeezing. Probably would not bounce as good because of the softness, but just really satisfying to stretch and to squeeze. I really do love the softness, and like I said, they don't make too many putties that are this soft. I think it's really the illusions probably take the trophy for being the softest putties of their collections. But man, look at the gold there that we're getting. Really brilliant. You got black and greens and golds and olive, some gray. Just a beautiful putty. I really do love these. If you don't have one of these illusion putties in your collection, they're all good. I think I have 4 of them right now. I have Super Lava, Super Scarab, Super Fly, and Super Oil Slick, and they're all beautiful. I have those videos on my channel as well, so if you want to check them out, I have those other putties reviewed as well on my channel. But yeah, look at that. That's just so amazing. Now, one thing I will mention really quickly here about this putty is that I have noticed over time it has lost just a little bit of its shine, and not in any bad way. I've had this one for about 6 months or so, and it's just as amazing as it's ever been. But I think when I first got it, it did just have a tiny little bit more luster, a little bit more shine. You might have seen a little bit more variation in some of the color, with like getting purples and blues. But honestly, it's kind of really settled into its element here. It's more sticking to its, greens and yellows and olive, kind of as intended. And it's just a really beautiful putty, even 6 months down the road, and I hope I get a lot more mileage out of this as well. I've had some of their putties for, 3-4 years, and they're still going strong, so I'm definitely very hopeful that this one will go very well long as well. Okay, but that is the Super Oil Slick Thinking Putty. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I would definitely appreciate a like on this video. subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.